is going to be in New York today as he faces fresh legal troubles as a civil fraud trial against the former president and two of his sons begin here in the city. The case casts threats of fraud on Trump's business empire as he campaigns to retake the White House with 4 criminal cases looming. In today's case, Trump and his family businesses are facing the trial to determine how much they owe in penalties after the judge found the former U.S. president's assets were inflated by billions of dollars to secure more favorable loan and insurance terms. Moreover, the former president and New York Attorney General Letitia James, who have been for years on a collision course, are set to face each other in the courtroom in Lower Manhattan. Trump has long volleyed insults at James while her office investigated him and his company for widespread fraud. Trump has repeatedly dismissed the New York civil allegations, calling James, quote, a racist and labeling the judge in the case as being deranged. Trump was not expected to attend the court hearing in person, but on Sunday night, he confirmed that he will appear at the Manhattan court to hear Letitia James set out her case for $250 million in fines for the Trump organization. Trump and his two sons, Donald Jr. and Eric, face a permanent ban on running businesses in New York. A 5-year restriction could also be imposed on commercial real estate activities by Trump and his flagship Trump organization. In addition to the civil case, Trump also faces several major criminal proceedings in the months ahead. He's scheduled to appear before a federal judge in Washington on March 4th on charges of trying to overthrow the results of the 2020 presidential election won by Joe Biden. After that, Trump will be back in New York State court, this time on criminal hush money charges, and later in a Florida federal court, where he is accused of mishandling classified documents after leaving office. He will also have to answer to state charges in Georgia, where prosecutors say Trump illegally tried to get the southern state's 2020 election results changed in his favor.